This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to convert from fluid ounces to milliliters online. So to do this kind of calculation, whether you're in the kitchen or whatever you need this for, I like to use this site at calculator site, thecalculatorsite.com. You can see the URL on the screen here. I'll put that in the video description just below this video, so you can just click on that and you'll wind up on this page. Now from here, super simple, we've got fluid ounces set here. They've got a few other options there, and we've got milliliters set here by default when you come to this page. Now all you need to do is put your value in here. So if we were saying 6, let's say, we can click on convert, and we find out that 6 fluid ounces in milliliters is 177.44 milliliters. So it's as easy as that. You can put any kind of value in here. You can do decimals, whatever you need to do, and you'll get the answer right here. So highly advise bookmarking this page. You can use it on cell phone, mobile phone, tablet, desktop, wherever you are in the world. It's always here for you. Really useful site. What I like about this one, there's a lot of these kind of calculators. They've actually got a handy table down here as well, so you can click around here. But yeah, this site, it's not littered with ads. It's not kind of ads, you know, all down the sides and stuff, obscuring the content and making it hard to see. As far as I can see, this is a very clean site, and that is what we like. Hopefully you have found this video on how to convert from fluid ounces to milliliters online useful. If you have, drop this video a like, really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.